Trying to choose between NTM's SSQ200 and 210 mechanical seam profiles? Or what about between the SS450 and 450 SL snap lock panel profiles? Watch this video. Hey, this is Rick from New Tech Machinery. In this video, we're comparing 4 standing seam panel profiles: the SSQ200 versus the 210A, and the SS450 versus 450 SL. Let's take a close look at the differences. First up, SSQ200 and SSQ210A. Both are 2-inch mechanically seamed panel profiles that require a mechanical seamer for installation. These profiles can only be run on the SSQ2 Multi-Pro. The SSQ200 is a standard 2-inch mechanical seam profile. The SSQ210A Armco profile has an extra down leg in the panel design. The extra leg offers additional strength to the profile.
Testing is available for the 200, so it tends to be the more popular choice, and the installation is easier.
Next, SS450 and SS450SL. Both are snap lock panel profiles that can be run using the same roller system on the SSQ2, SSH, and SSR Multi-Pro machines. The SS450 snap locks using a clip with a flare that wraps over the male leg of the panel. It allows for typical metal expansion and contraction and is popular in residential applications for its clean look and simple installation. The SS450SL has a bump on the male leg that allows the panel to snap lock onto itself. It still uses a clip, but not the same clip as the SS450. If you plan to run both styles, you'll need different clips. Industry acceptance generally leans towards the widely tested SS450. Now, let's talk about clip types. Fixed and floating. Both types should allow for some panel movement, but in areas with extreme temperature changes, floating clips offer more expansion and contraction along the seams. Whether you're using fixed or floating clips, proper installation is essential. Some jobs may also require UL-tested clips. If you use non-UL clips, make sure the dimensions match UL clips to stay consistent with the thickness and performance. Installation technique also matters. Over-tightening screws can restrict movement, which may lead to oil canning or fastener failure. Installed correctly, clips help ensure the roof system performs well and maintains its appearance over time. Due to their design differences, both profile pairs require varying material widths. This can affect project costs and coil usage, so it's important to calculate material precisely. Be sure to account for the extra leg in the profile design. Use NTM's coil width calculator to determine the correct width. Remember, the SSQ200 and SSQ210A can only be run on the SSQ2 machine, while the SS450 and SS450SL can be run on the SSQ2, SSH, or SSR Multi-Pros. Each profile pair shares the same tooling. To switch from the SSQ200 to the SSQ210A, adjust the left side tooling to the 210A notch on the marker plate. To switch from the SS450 to the SS450SL, use the included extra roller station and adjust the left side tooling to go from 450 to 450SL. Note that we have a video in our Learning Center on our website that details the process for you too. When it's time to choose between the SSQ200 SSQ210A, SS450, and SS450SL, several factors come into play, including aesthetic preference, structural needs, and project budget. Each profile offers unique benefits, and understanding their differences helps you make informed decisions for your standing seam metal roofing systems. To see the full side-by-side comparison, check out the article linked right here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.